Good morning, children. Today we are going to do chapter 5, the Song of Songs. You must have heard about Emperor Akbar, and in his court there used to be Navaratna. Navaratna means the main people of his court who used to give the suggestions or do the most important jobs of King Akbar. In this chapter, we will read about one of the Ravanatna who was Tansen, who was so famous, whose songs were so famous that everybody praised. Now let's start this chapter. Get started. Write the names of these musical instruments. Which of these is not Indian? Now these all have been given musical instruments which are used in performing the music. Now first of all we have sitar, sarod, mridangam, harmonium, shenai, guitar and tabla. You see the pictures and write below them. First of all it is a shenai, and then harmonium, and then sitar. This is sitar. Here it is tabla. This is sarod, mridangam and guitar. Let's start the chapter. Sant Haridas was the guru of great Tansen, the court magician to Akbar. Read about his meeting with Akbar. Sant Haridas was the great guru of great Tansen. Tansen was the disciple of this person, Sant Haridas, and Tansen was the court magician in Akbar's court. Now start section 1. Slowly, gently, the exhausted magician laid his tanpura on the carpet. The exquisite strains of Rag Darbari still vibrated within the hall. Exhausted means tired. Who was the magician there? Tansen. Exhausted, tired musician, that Tansen put his tanpura slowly and gently on the carpet. The exquisite strains means very beautiful notes of Rag Darbari. What he sang, Rag Darbari, is the form of a rags, still vibrated within the hall. It was still vibrating in the hall. Emperor Akbar looked up, his eyes bright with admiration. And Emperor Akbar was very happy and his eyes were bright with admiration. Wonderful, he said. Superb. You will see these are the sudden expression of the mind. So we will be putting here sign of exclamation. Superb. I listen to you every day, but I can't seem to have enough. Now he expresses his feeling. He was so happy that he is not tired of his listening. He used to listen every day, but he was not tired of listening. Tansen bowed in silent gratitude, and Tansen, he bowed his head in silent gratitude. I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world, said Akbar. Now, being happy, Akbar told him Tansen's voice was the most wonderful in the world. I don't, Chencha, said Tansen with a smile. There is someone who sings far better than I do. Now Tansen asked him, no, there is somebody else who sings better than me. Really? Cried the disbelieving Akbar. Now Akbar was very much impressed with Tansen's singing. When he heard about someone who could sing better than Tansen, so he spoke this in a disbelieving way. Then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange it? And he requested him to bring that person and to ask him to sing in his court. Tansen shook his head. I am afraid he will not come, sire. Now Tansen shook his head and he was a little afraid he will not come. What? Not even? If he hears that the emperor himself requests him to? Now Akbar asked him that person will not come. Even he knew that Emperor Akbar is requesting him. No, not even then. Tansen asks, no. After knowing Akbar is asking him to sing, he will not come. This reply would have enraged any other emperor. Enraged means made angry. And this reply, what Tansen gave, he will not come, must have made angry any emperor. But Akbar, however, was different. Very well, Ustadji, said Akbar, smiling into Tansen's half-scared eyes. Tansen was a little bit scared because that person was his guru. If he doesn't come, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him? Now, Akbar asked Tansen, if he doesn't come, I will come. I will go to him myself. And can Tansen take him to that person? Yes, sire, provided you don't come as the emperor of Hindustan. Tansen asked, provided means here there is a condition. There is a condition that you won't go there as the emperor of Hindustan. You won't tell him. I shall go as a humble lover of music. Now Akbar said, I will go there as a humble lover of music. Sant Haridas was the man Tansen had spoken of. Now that person was Sant Haridas, about whom Tansen was speaking. He had been Tansen's music teacher and lived the austere life of a hermit. Now this person had been Tansen's music teacher and he lived a very austere life. Austere means very simple and strictly disciplined life of a hermit. When Tansen and the emperor reached his hut, Sant Haridas was busy with his daily chores. Daily chores means daily routine work. When they reached there, Sant Haridas was busy in his daily chores. When they requested him to sing, he smiled but said firmly, I am long past the age for singing. It has been long. I long for the age I have sung. Even his favorite pupil could not persuade him to change his mind. And Tansen had been very favorite of him, but he could not also change his mind. Now section 2. However, Tansen knew how to get round him. Tansen was the disciple of that person and he knew how he can ask his guru to sing, how to change his mind. He offered to sing before his guru. He picked up the tanpura and he started singing. And then as he sang, he made a deliberate mistake. And when he started singing, he made deliberate mistakes. Deliberate means very little mistakes. That's not the right one. Tansen cried his teacher, and Tansen had been the favorite disciple of his teacher. So the teacher cried, "That's not the right note. Ki Tansen, you are not singing properly." Amazed, and he was surprised ki what has happened to Tansen. Tansen pretended not to understand his teacher, and he pretended he was not understanding his teacher and made the same mistake. Again, exasperated, Sant Haridas took the Tanpura from Tansen's hands. Being very angry, annoyed, Sant Haridas took the Tanpura from Tansen's hands and sang the right note. Then he went on to the next and next. And when he started singing, then he went to the next and next. The melody of his voice spread across the forest, and the sweetness of his voice spread across the forest, like the first glimmer of dawn or the fragrance of jasmine. And his voice was so sweet that it was looking like a first glimmer of the dawn or the fragrance of jasmine. Both Akbar and Tansen listened to him as if hypnotized. Hypnotized means totally, when we are totally lost in something. So they both were hypnotized with the music of Sant Haridas. The emperor realized that Tansen had spoken the truth. Now this emperor Akbar, he believed that Tansen was speaking the truth. There is someone who would sing better than him. He had not known that music could be so heavenly. He had certainly never heard anything like it before. And he had never heard anything like it before. As they walked back, the emperor suddenly broke the silence to ask Tansen, "Why can't you sing like him, Ustazji?" Now, when they were going back, there was a question in emperor's mind, and he broke the silence and he asked, "Tansen, why can't you sing like him, Ustadji? Why can't you sing like him?" Tansen smiled. "Sencha, I sing." He said, "I sing at your command. What you say, I sing accordingly. The command of the Emperor of Hindustan. I sing at the command of the Emperor of Hindustan. Guruji sings for the one who is the King of Kings. But my Guruji sings for the one who is the King of Kings." Means he sings for God. He does not sing at anybody's command. He sings only for God. His music springs from the depth of his soul, and he sings for God. So his music springs from the depth of his soul, free and unasked for. It is free. I am paid for the music, but he sings free and unasked for, and nobody asks him to sing. He sings with his whole mind. How can my music hope to reach those heights? And how can his music compare to those heights? I think you must have known a lot about Tansen, and you must have enjoyed the lesson. And you people, please read this chapter again and again and learn the difficult words of this chapter and the meanings from the chapter given in the chapter. In the next class, we will be doing the exercises, and you try to do the exercises yourself also. Thank you all.